So why do a ride with Maschine? You know, we've been doing adventure rides now for over 6, 7 years, and we're seeing a lot of the same faces coming back, and we love that. It's like a big family. It's a fantastic social weekend or week away. And we provide great support infrastructure with tyre support, technical support, first aid. All the routes are planned out for you, so all you need to do is follow the pink line on your GPS and you'll have a great route laid out for you for the day. Route planning is one aspect. That's my job and I love it. We try and make the main route is achievable for an average ride on a large capacity adventure bike, so like an R1200 GS or a KTM 1190. We try and make the route achievable for an average rider, but then we always like to throw in some harder enduro section as well. So depending on the ride, we might have maybe 3 or 4 enduro sections each day, and these are maybe 20 to 30 kilometres long, something like that. And they're little breakout sections that guys that are feeling more comfortable and want to challenge themselves, they can jump out on those harder sections and have a crack. One of our most popular rides is the Alpine Explorer in the Victorian high country. Generally each year we'll have a big outback ride as well, and this is the chance to really see Australia. The red dirt, the wide open skies, incredible stars at night. And we really like to try and showcase Australia and get riders off into those more unknown, obscure places and off the beaten track, so to speak. What's always cool is when we rock up in a little country town and there's so much shit talking going on about, how good was that last hill, how was that creek crossing, whatever. That's always good fun. We tend to take over these little country towns. Oh yeah. One of the other aspects of the Maschine rides that we really enjoy, providing good accommodation and meals, so premium levels. Not necessarily 5-star, but certainly generally sort of best in the area where we're going to. And that way all you need to think about is riding during the day, and then everything else is looked after at night. One unique aspect with our Maschine rides is we offer on-trail training. So we'll have a coach take a group of say half a dozen riders out on the trail in the morning, and they'll follow along with you and provide some direct feedback to you about how you can improve your riding out on the trail. You can put those lessons into place straight away and see the immediate results, and we get some fantastic feedback from it. Come and join Maschine for your ultimate adventure.